Hello, welcome to Black's Insurance. I'm Chris Black, Principal Owner, and this is Brian Dozark, our Commercial Manager. Today we are going to talk about one of our niche markets, roofing contractors. Our approach to our roofing contractor clients is to custom fit your insurance based on your business. We look at the size of your operations, including number of employees and the number of jobs you do annually. We want to see if you specialize in new construction or if most of your work comes from re-roofs. We also look to see if you install mainly metal roofs, shingle roofs, or flat roofs. Our last concern is, are you working primarily on residential homes or commercial properties, or a combination of both? We work with many A-rated companies that specialize in roofing contractors, and we will shop them all in order to put your insurance in place. There are many types of insurance that is required of roofing contractors.
With roofing insurance, it's imperative that you think about a number of different coverages, such as general liability, workers' compensation, commercial property, business personal property, as well as commercial auto. We recommend you take the time to call us. We'd be happy to spend the time needed to discuss all of these coverages that are available to you. For more information regarding roofing insurance, please call us at 813-752-5225 or go to blacksinsurance.com. Thank you.